Salagoste.
Hi, I'm Margie A. Cababaro. Hi, I'm Jennifer Uduhamungana.
Hi, I'm Janine J. Birnbaum.
Go.
And we are the Group 5.
Now, I am going to discuss about the scientific notation. Do you know what is scientific notation? A scientific notation is a widely used floating point system in which numbers are expressed as products consisting of a number between 1 and 10 multiplied by an appropriate power of 10.
I am the one who will continue the parts of scientific notation. The first part is a number greater than 1. The second part is a multiplication. And the third part is the power of 10. The rules of the scientific notation. The first is the exponent of power of 10 increased by 1 for every places the decimal points of shifted to the left. And the second rules, the exponent or power of 10 is decreased by 1 for every place the decimal points is shifted to the right.
This time I am going to discuss the steps of the scientific notation. The number 1 step is standard form convert to scientific notation. I have a problem situations here. If you have a money of your pocket worth of 2,500, so the thing that we are going to do in order we can convert it into the scientific notation, you have there is point here, so you must move it into three places. 1, 2, 3. So this is now the scientific notation. 2.5 multiplied by the 10 raised to the power of 3. Of course, this is the standard form, so you must use the positive integer. Then, the number 2 steps is scientific notation convert to standard form. So this is the opposite of the step number 1. Then, the same the problem. Here, the scientific notation here is 2.5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 3. So, you must just copy 2.5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 3. So, the thing that we must going to do in order it will convert it into the standard form is we are going to move the point into 3 places because your point here is 3. Then 2, 5. You have a point here, so you must move it into 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just put at 2 zeros. 1, 2. So now this is a standard form of the scientific notation. The number 3 is the decimal form convert to scientific notation. I have a problem situation. Anna washed clothes and she was happy watching a bubbles. And she was thinking, what would be the possible thickness of the bubbles? Okay, the possible thickness of the bubbles is 0.00014. So now, this is a decimal form and now you will have to convert it into the scientific notation. So the thing that you are going to do is just move the point into the right side. So here 0. So you must move it into the right side. In how many places, by the way? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 places. So it will become 1.4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of -4. Why it become a -4? Why we use a negative instead of positive? Okay, we use negative because we are talking here a decimal form. So the integer that we are going to use is negative. Then the number for steps, scientific notation, convert to decimal form. The same as the third steps. It is opposite. So use this scientific notation. 1.4 multiplied by 10 to the raised to the power of negative 4. So the thing that you are going to do in order you can get the decimal form is just move the point into 4 places. So what would be where is the side that we are going to move? So in the left side. So you have here a 4 and 1. So this here is the point here. So you must move it into the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you add a 0. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 0 that you will add. And then you will put here a point, then a 0. So now this is a decimal form of a scientific notation. So it is easy. So why should you?
Okay, have you learned something about scientific notation? By the way, what is the importance of scientific notation? The importance of scientific notation is that the biggest number will become to the smallest one. So that's all. Thank you for watching, guys.